Have to try this, amazing wraps for different health problems. Reduce swelling. Many experts around the world say that you should apply cabbage compress on sore and inflamed joints. Cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables contain glucosinolate, an anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting compound. Heal thyroid imbalance. Note: eating cruciferous vegetables may interfere with proper hormone function, but still, many traditional medicine practitioners suggest that wrapping cabbage leaves over your thyroid gland overnight can help balance thyroid hormones, and neutralize thyroid disrupting hormones to restore proper balance. Headaches relief. We all know that cabbage is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and iron. These ingredients work together to prevent headaches caused by nutritional deficiency, particularly tension headaches. Methionine also promotes detoxification by binding to heavy metals like lead and mercury and helping the body expel them. This in turn improves overall body function and prevents toxin-related headaches. Pain-free breastfeeding. Many experts around the world say that all mothers should use cabbage to decrease engorgement and promote milk flow. How to use it? Just crush green cabbage leaves with a rolling pin to help them mold onto your breast. Leave on your breast for 20 minutes twice a day and follow up with a feeding or pumping session. You can also use cabbage after a feeding and leave them on until they wilt. Asthma. You should also know that cabbage compress is also very useful in treating and preventing problems with your airways. As we said, cabbage contains high amounts of vitamins A, C and B6, iron, calcium, and fibers. Uterine cancer. Cabbage juice is also very useful in preventing uterine cancer due to its antiviral and antibacterial properties. You should drink at least 2 cups of cabbage juice per week. Stomach ulcers. Cabbage juice is also very useful in preventing and treating stomach ulcers as well. Note: make sure you drink 3 to 4 cups of cabbage juice with lemon every day. Leg pain. As we said, cabbage has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it's very useful in treating and preventing leg pain. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to wrap your legs and fix with a bandage or plastic wrap. Leave it on overnight and remove it when you get up in the morning. Your leg pain will disappear. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.